Welcome guys, so today I'm with the Motorola Razr 2022 and I want to show you how Camera Pro Mode works in this smartphone. Okay, so first of all we're gonna focus on this bar, and after that we're gonna move right here. So at the first you can find right here focus range. You can set it automatically or manually, and let me just show you how it works. You can focus on the close objects, like for example on this setup, it's even the macro photo, or simply on the long range objects. So right now when I'm gonna zoom out the phone, after that this item will be in the focus, but when I set it up like that, it will be only focused on the close objects close to our lens. Of course we can set it up automatically like that. Next option is the white balance. Right here we can find this 4 presets, but also we can make it manually and automatically like that. Here we can find the shutter speed. We can set it up for 32 seconds, and the lowest option is 1.6000 and automatic adjustment. Next it's ISO between 3200 and 100, and also automatically. The only parameter that we can set up only manually, it's the exposure compensation, and we can set it up between +3 and -3. You can reset all of these parameters set up by tapping on this arrow right here. In this place we can change the aspect ratio of our camera. The best is to stay with the 3:4. That's the default value with the best photo quality. Also we can simply enable the shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. Here we can enable or disable the flashlight. In this place we can change photo format. We got 3 different photo formats, and that's all for this mode. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.